Hi everyone, my name is Irene and welcome to Token Studio's YouTube channel. This is our first video uploaded on YouTube, and in this video we'll be unboxing Finding Unicorn's Farmer Bob color series as well as vlogging the launch of the Farmer Bob color series at our stores. There are 14 designs in this series, including 12 regular designs and 2 hidden designs. Each design represents a different color and each color corresponds to a different character. So the purple one is for Wizard, beige is for Greekman, deep red is for Rockstar, and gray is for Knight. Navy is for Postman. And white is for Tennis Player. Green is for Peter Pan. And pink is for Pajama. Red is for Mocart. And orange is for Firefighter. Yellow is for Raincoat. And last but not least, black is for Shakespeare. With all that being said, that concludes our video today, and lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much and see you soon!